man, it's your boy Hicks with your boy
Young Filly, and you are watching Footasylum Unboxed. You're mad, man. Alright, so today we have
your Deerupt in grey and gum sole. Fire.
Tell me about the design.
Yeah, okay, so obviously what you see first is the webbing on the outside, right? So that was from a guy called, well, he's an Olympian, 3-time medal winning Olympian from America, long distance, and he actually helped create the web design for Adidas. His name's William Dellinger, and it's called the Dellinger Web. And it basically retracts and absorbs the contact on the floor, and then absorbs it, and then fires it back through the midsole, and gives you that little bit of a push.
So you're telling me all that trainer is given that technology?
Yeah, I mean, this is just a lifestyle shoe. This is just a lifestyle model from what he wore in the 1980, well, not in the Olympics, but in a marathon in 1980.
Okay, cool.
What he put towards the web.
Do you know what as well, just quickly, like looking at them, don't you think they look comfortable?
Fire. And have you felt that insole?
Oh yeah,
yeah,
squidgy,
that foam on the inside.
Yeah, squidgy. Yeah. Nice. But do you know what? I look at these and just think, I'd love to wear these on holiday. Like, do you know, like, bro, like, look at these bad boys. I fell in love with these ones.
Yeah, all white,
do you know what
clean.
I mean? Exactly the same, just these are just all whites. And I don't know, I picture myself, you know them little like linen shirts? Like,
come on.
You get me? Teresa, I've been going gym now, so I'll undo a couple buttons and I'd wear these with a pair of shorts, man. What would you wear them with?
Me personally?
Yeah. High
socks, shorts, t-shirt. Bang it out in summertime.
He's that guy,
come on.
That Tyler the Creator swag. I know them ones. Now, as always, you have a chance to win a pair of the Deerupts. All you've got to do is subscribe, like, and comment your shoe size. I've been your boy, Young Filly.
I'm Hicks.
And you've been watching... I got you that time, mate. Yeah, not the only one that up at the end. You do too. Let's go again from the top. I've been your boy, Young Filly.
I'm Hicks.
And you've been watching...
Footasylum.
Footasylum Unboxed, all the time. I've been your boy, Young Filly.
I'm Hicks.
And you've been watching
Footasylum Unboxed.
Yeah,
nice
man.
one.